Hello, welcome to this video, and today it's a rainy day. It's a rainy day today. Hello, welcome to this episode of A Solve, a series of videos. If you still forgot what A Solve meant, it's a rainy day. Yeah, episode 3 and episode 4 were about it being sunny and bright. Now it's episode 7. Yeah, it's episode 7. And it's raining, and some of the rainwater went on my phone. My phone's very wet now. But okay, so yeah, it's you can tell it's kind of a bit drizzling. Yeah, I'm gonna close it a bit. So it's kind of a bit drizzly. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna close it. There are very strong winds today. Yeah. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.